Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something exciting to share with you. We're going to explore a powerful feature of AZInsight, the Search View. As you can see, we're on the Amazon search results page. Notice this small box below each product? That's the Search View. The Search View opens up a world of possibilities. For example, it allows us to estimate the cost of selling an item with a fixed ROI value that ranges from 10% up to 50%. Let's try it out. And that's how you use the Search View feature of AZInsight. It's a powerful tool for all Amazon sellers out there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.